Radhe Radhe Jai Sri Krishna. Today I am again present before you with a new topic. The title is What is Brainwashing? What is brainwashing? Two words combined here to make a phrase brain and washing. Brain, already we all of us well known about this word brain and washing to clean. How a brain might be cleaned by anybody. So it is not in a physical shape, just as we clean utensils, pot, clothes. Not in that sense. Here washing. Washing means to change the attitude of anybody. Wow, however, whatever life a particular person is leading, to change its attitude. And now again the problem, why to change? According to to fulfill one's attitude. To have a particular person to act according to the will of the others. Now this is a long process. Washing is not possible in a limited specific time. It takes long duration. And what other factor required? That is the time factor. Long duration, a great deal of time, plus a lot of money also required. And to have patience to be fulfilled the aim. So time, money and readiness, full confidence. So all these factors are required to change anybody's brain. Now see, sometimes it takes an era of power ruling a country and a position. In any country, two main sources are there, one ruling, other opposing it. Both of them are getting chance to rule the country. The opposition takes a long, it to wash the brain of the public citizens. It takes a long duration, by and by many years, decades. Then at last opinion, a mass opinion might be changed in any country. That is also called a revolution. To some extent, anonymous to revolution. Brainwashing means revolution, tending to in the direction of revolution. Brainwashing is not simple, but at the lower level, in a small group also, brainwashing is there. So many religious sections are there, and all people belonging to their individual religions, they are changing opposite group and trying to combine them in their group. It is but natural. Mostly in our country, Hinduism and Muslimism, both are trying to convert. Here also brainwashing, this can be used. Mostly Muslims are ready to combine in their religion the opposite group persons. There also brainwashing is used. Sometimes in a small group, in group of students, those who are loafers, not naughty, not ready to prepare their courses, not studious, they also brainwashing the other group, make a huge group to enjoy the life. So such things are happening in our society. So the term, the phrase combining two words, brainwashing, I think clear to us. How to change brain, shape of the brain. Brain can't be changed, but thinking process can be changed. Anything when repeated repeated, a time comes when the attitude is changed. In Hindi there is a proverb, Hindi there is a couplet by some poet. रसरी आवत जात है सिल पर परत निशान. रसरी आवत जात है सिल पर परत निशान. Anything is done repeatedly, then even the hard rock also can be changed. Then mind is very simple, it is flexible, easily can be changed, but it takes a time and sometimes money and sometimes a full devotion, readiness, confidence. So in our country India, this is very common process nowadays. Foreigners, our enemy countries are trying their best to change the attitude of young generation. They are brainwashing, and in this process the social media, role of the social media is prominent. Now everything is global. Due to globalization of every aspect, this has become very prominent. It creates, it influences a lot of group, the mass of the group, by mobile, Facebook, Instagram. These are the social media where easy to change, brainwashing is possible. Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna. To some words on brainwashing suddenly came into my mind, so therefore I expressed as I felt, and now I am ready and expect my brainwashing, my mind to be brainwashed by you if you have stamina, and change my brain according to your own will. Thank you. Very, very special good night for all of you.